Yes, yes, yes. Hey guys, welcome. A lot of you are probably in growth stocks like me. A lot of those stocks have been hammered. We've got some big ones. We got PayPal. We got an atrocious one on Friday. PSFE got hit with a 40%. It's an overreaction, but it is what it is, and you're still down the money. What do you do now? Let's look at something on the whiteboard. When this happens, I call this a broken family. And so if we go to the charts, and you've seen the charts, I know some of you guys use candlesticks, but these are day bars. Let's say the stock is moving up, 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 and then a catalyst happens, an event, something, an example, Live Nation, the Travis Scott concert, 8 people died, stock slams down. But in this event, let's say it's Zillow, and the stock drops and opens down like 20%, 30%. And you're just down instantly. And you have this huge space here. Well, in charts, we call that a gap. Often, if it's a quality company, and what happens most of the time is that stock will come back and do what's called fill the gap. Now, here's the problem though. When it drops that big, that fast, in the money flow, I call this a broken family. And what you're gonna see is all the moving averages turn and they get really separated apart. Get it? Broken family, you're separated. It takes a long time to bring these moving averages together. And what often happens is the stock drifts lower and lower and lower. And we have a 3-day rule. So we wait a minimum 3 days to even consider it. And then we're waiting for the stock to start going sideways again. All of this could take weeks to months to 5 or 6 months before the stock gets back and gets going again and fills this gap. But if you have a quality company like a Zillow, a PayPal, a Twitter, a Pinterest, a Snapchat, these are great American companies. They're gonna fill those gaps, they're gonna come back. You have plenty of time. So what you should do is if you're not obligated to put money in these stocks. It's gonna take months. You have plenty of time. Go start new positions in other stocks that got smashed that you don't own any of. So let's say you don't own Hood. It's come down 20, 30% recently. Maybe you don't own PayPal. This is a great time to establish a position. Remember, one man's foreclosure is another man's opportunity. Appreciate your watching. I hope that helped.